does not solve this issue of whatever copyright or whatever it be, because in other broadcasting systems, audio and visual, whether it's a video or not, can be broadcasted on a whiteboard where people who have gathered on the video cameras can actually share and enjoy, whether it's a song or whether it's a presentation or it's anything. So then that means we have one advantage of Top Fusion, that it will have the. Now they had one disadvantage which Google overtook, because she keeps telling me that okay, some smarter guy will come and do better than Top Fusion. So it happened, and I accepted that okay, Google Hangout is more intuitive,
I
more
told
easy.
you, right? I told
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You told me. I'm giving the credit to you. So she's always trying to find that why Top Fusion is not good enough. But I'm trying to. I'm feeling bad, so I kept quiet for some time. My bad period is over now. Top Fusion has come out with same screen share. You don't have to upload the content previously. Before you launch the broadcast, you can run your desktop or you can run any website on your while you're doing the video conferencing. So that matches with Google Hangout. Now they increase the speed issue, that intuitive. Then the recording also will happen automatically. You don't have to have another software in the background doing the recording of the presentation or the meeting. So then it compares. Now we have that audio also plays when I'm playing a screen share, which if Google doesn't have, then I'll say, yeah, my Top Fusion is better than, because
Ha
I
ha
love Top.
ha.
I love Top,
Ha 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 ha.
because it earns you money. Google doesn't earn you money,
मालूम है ना, सबका बाप होता है.
but you are a family member of Top
Remember
Fusion.
that directly कभी भी बेटा पैदा नहीं होता है. सबका बाप होता है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So anyway, now the whole idea of us getting to know each other and enjoying each other's company and having a discipline of 3 to 4 1 hour a day meeting like this and sharing strategy and knowledge and whatever, is that we should be able to work as a team, as an organization, to make money for each other, because network marketing means, she tells me that tu kitna kamaya. I said, I alone, if nobody works with me, I can't do anything. So I'm now got I must update her that I have started earning because I've got these people doing regularly Google Hangout. You don't have to meet in an office or in a hotel space, or book a room or have a seminar, go to NIBM or residency club. Those things we have to work from our bedrooms. Just 1 feet of walking in your pajama, as we say.
But that is okay. That is okay. But I cannot do my adventure by sitting here, right?
No, that you do your adventure.
Here and I can't do
You need.
anything. Boss.
Yes,
No, no,
yes,
for that you need to have that Google Glass actually. You will do that also if you are wearing Google Glass. I
okay.
would
In
like
Google Glass.
What is that?
It's like wearable computer. You can wear that, Google Glass. So once you are wearing it, you can do anything with that. So don't you know about this? Maybe Pankaj sir, please, your insights, please.
हाँ?
आप बताओ उस Google Glass के बारे में.
Google Glass is a big revolution that's happening in the planet Earth. They have already created it, and there are 75. How many people are there? About 500 people have been selected. They're using it already as a beta testers. That it's like a glasses that Rajesh is wearing, very light, like your sunglasses.
I have heard about that.
And on the side is a computer, supercomputer microchip, which has got a web camera, microphone, speakers, and you can talk and you can do Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything, Google search, and it has audio, video, front camera, back camera, everything. So when whatever you are seeing, whatever you are experiencing, you can transfer that to everybody who's wearing Google Glass, or you can project it on a big screen. So when people are diving from airplanes, whatever they are seeing down, that is being transmitted through their glass computers, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube which I can send you if you're interested to see what amazing things people are going to do, because I can see from your eyes, you can see from my eyes, because eyes means what? The computer. Now they have gone beyond that. They have come out with very fine film computers in the contact lens. So you are wearing your computer, everything on your glass inside your eye as a soft lens. So they are combining human body with computer inside.
Lot of crime will be happening then.
Yeah, it's already happened now. They're already testing that. But the Google Glass is out, and it costs only 75,000 rupees, about $1,500. But they are not yet, because they have to get legal sanctions from the government of USA. There are privacy issues, because it means that when I'm talking to you, I can find out everything about you from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I can do a Google search, and I can know what is your background, what is your activity, and before, if I meet you, I can just take instantly while I'm talking to you, I can know you everything about you because I'm wearing a computer. But I can make presentations. I'm while I hands free, I can have my computer and I can talk to people in real world, and I'm doing my work along with it, multitasking. So it is
Just
going to open up amazing activities and change the whole way world works and lives. Yes, go ahead.
okay, just a
Sorry.
minute. I'll try to demonstrate that Google Glass on YouTube whether it is working or not. So I'll just show you the link actually.
Now the biggest thing that is happening, Nina, can I take your permission to share a little with her because she has missed out a few meetings. Biggest thing happening now because the world is changing so fast and you are a techie person. She has the best technology. If it comes before I can afford it, it's already in her house. She's got an iMac machine which she doesn't allow me to touch, Apple Mac, and she was the first person with the iPhone, and she's a crusader for Apple products. So I also realized what is the advantage, not Samsung. Of course, that makes a lot of sense to spend a little extra to get a better product. And I think she'll buy the Google Glass before me, but I'm trying this time. I'll beat her and get the Google Glass for her because that's a
And
competition.
all you people will be in here, right?
We'll be just like robots connected Star Trek.
Right.
Okay, so the big change and the big shift is that when we were using PCs, then we moved to laptops. Then laptops have become outdated. We moved to tabs, tablets, means iPads, and Samsung pads. And now, after I got the iPhone and I can do everything on the 3G and 4G, I enjoy it more easy, comfortable on my phone. So I don't even use my. That's my experience I'm sharing. I don't even use my iPad anymore unless I need to have a little bigger screen. So the whole shift that is happening is that now the websites have become apps. So there's an app for everything, and there is a big explosion in the business of apps. I can have an app for doing my bill payment. I can have an app for knowing which movies are running that for that theater where we go to Phoenix. What is the name of that theater? What is the name of that theater? Phoenix
What?
का
Huh?
वो थिएटर का नाम क्या है फिनिक्स में? Very famous theater.
Forgot.
Oh God, you are also forgetting.
IMAX.
Not IMAX.
No.
Bye-bye.
अरे Rajesh, remind us that famous theater यार, multiplex.
Sorry,
That multiplex.
which one?
Phoenix में,
हाँ जी,
हाँ?
multiplex. Sorry, I didn't hear you actually.
The theater in Phoenix.
Hi, Baba. That cinema hall he's talking about. I know. I forgot. The next. Sorry.
PVR,
PVR.
PVR, yes.
Okay, so there is an app which she found out on PVR, so she can book her tickets through the phone and take the seats and all that. So for railway,
It's
airline,
this big cinema also. Everybody has now.
so everything is app, airline booking, travel, shopping. So basically, I'm trying to explain to
अब
you
तो
all
धीरे
that.
धीरे कोई मोची को अपने शूज भी सिलने में ना उसके पास.
Provision stores, everything is an app basically. So the app explosion is so huge that people don't even have time to come home or office and get onto the laptop or a pad. They are working on the go. So anything and everything which we were doing on laptops, PCs, or iPads are possible on the phone with the 3G being mobile wireless with you. So then there is one very huge industry which is self-development, personal development, inspiration, motivational development, which is itself is a huge industry if you have studied about it. And that app has come which sends you on your phone amazing inspirational motivation videos, self-training, personal training, guidance tips, which change our attitude and help us to do better in life, whether it's a personal, private, business, relationships, or get organized or things like that. We know it, but the way these videos are there, if you see them, you'll understand how well they are motivating you, and a few of the ideas which you get ingrained in you, you will change your behavior, like reminding you to go to fitness or walk or voice and on. And these are by very high class, world class leaders, authors, celebrities. It's something you won't find on the net. So that is a product which you get in the app. Now it's free. It's not that you have to buy it. It's free. Most of the apps are free, and people love free things. So it's something everybody will like to have it, but it has a business associated with it because it's so powerful, it's so enlightening, it's so much needed for everyone. Even the most successful people keep on in touch. So if you decide you can be doing the business of sharing it to three people, and it has the same business model of network marketing. It does not cost any big investment like other businesses of Top Vision or Amiga Global or Millions, whatever there are in the market. That you don't have to pay even 2,000 or 5,000 or 15,000 or 40,000 or whatever. Nothing upfront. It's a monthly small subscription of 500 rupees, because there is a 60 rupees conversion fee. There is $10 a month. It's a global business. You like it, whatever you like in life, as it is, you share. If you like to go to, you enjoy the experience of going to a restaurant or a movie, you as it is tell people. So it is, network marketing is based on this idea that human beings have a tendency in nature to talk about something they've experienced, they've enjoyed, and share it with their friends. And you get paid for it because it's formalized through a web business model. Like you have an ID number, your back office password. So if I share it with Rajesh, he likes it, he shares it with his two friends. All that's all you do, and that goes like a viral, and you earn money from the residual income that people are paying 500 rupees a month. So actually, 500 rupees is not something people will think of. If they like something, they will definitely say, okay, come on, I'm on it. I think it's worth, my child will use it. See, we don't have time to bring up our children. Many of the rich people who are caught up in their lives, who will do this wisdom building, like Sunil rightly pointed out, his son. What did your son say when he saw the video, Sunil?
Yeah, he was so much impressed. In fact, he already started practicing it, and he is joining it today.
Yeah,
He couldn't
that
do it
was my
last
own
2 days.
experience with when I just saw
Yeah.
those three videos, and some of the tips I incorporated in myself, I saw immediate results. So I thought that we'll build this seriously because it has a system of training where with the kind of training that we get, it's already world famous. That you get three people, it's a 3 by 7 matrix. Every person can have three immediately below him. Then that person has three. You help the person whom you got. I've already got my three, and I'm helping them get their three, and then it keeps going because everybody has two or three people whom they have influence over. Like I have not so much influence over Nina, I'm trying, but if I definitely get influence over her, then she has influence over Sangeeta or somebody else, and then it goes like a virus, and everybody is looking for an opportunity to have an income steady flow coming from working from home. So you are not really a salesman selling to 10,000 people, but the 10,000 people come in your organization because free get free get free, and then you don't have to do anything. Once you've trained your immediate free whom you got and given them support, inspiration, leadership, basically everybody needs a vehicle to earn a steady income without any investment. In traditional business, there's a lot of investment and time commitment. Here, when it starts going, the concept of network marketing, I'm telling you, is that okay. So she will definitely join when I can get time to eat her head. And she has a great sphere of influence. I mean, people who have really enjoyed connecting with her and who have benefited from that association. So they will definitely listen to her. See, the whole business is, even however good the product is, the influence is what. The referral is very important. When Sunil will say it, then somebody will listen to his word. When Vijay will find three people that who already believe in Vijay, that they know that Vijay won't take them up the wrong path,
Yeah.
and then he will hold their hand, and his upline will help Vijay